I've always wanted to get good at figure drawing, and for years I've been practicing and practicing without getting nowhere. I always felt stuck at the same level because I was practicing wrong. Only after months, maybe years even, I understood my mistake. And let me know if you can relate. When I picked up drawing again after years during high school, I knew nothing about it. I just knew I wanted to learn and get really good at it. And of course, I started where I left off when I was a kid, copying. Copying the art and the artist I liked. Manga, anime, cartoons, or even realistic portraits. And my art, my copies, I should say, were okay, but when I finally wanted to create my own original character, my own art, the result was something like this. I don't know if it also happened to you, but I was very disappointed. I almost quit altogether at that point, because I genuinely thought that I was able to draw from imagination in the same way I was drawing from reference. I thought that just by copying, I would be able to absorb the skill, kind of. Of course, this wasn't true at all. So this was my biggest mistake. Copying my favorite art led me to nothing. And I wasted months, if not years at this stage. So what's the solution? Well, I think it's easy to understand, but difficult to put into practice. The real switch for me happened when I understood that the reality around us, including people, is made up of very simple shapes. Boxes, cylinders, and spheres. So just copying the end result, the exteriority, is nothing if you don't dig deeper. And thanks to some guidance, that's the moment when I finally discovered the existence of the figure drawing fundamentals, such as gesture drawing, which in my opinion is the first and most important stage to give movement and flow to your characters. Without gesture, your figures will look like bricks, literally. The second most important step to draw nice figures is structure, to make the abstraction of gesture something tangible, something you can build upon. And once I started working on these two fundamentals, I saw great improvement in a short period of time. Sure, my gestures were total garbage at the beginning, but at least I felt like I was starting to understand the world around me. I told myself, okay, if I continue like this, one day I will be able to draw from imagination. Because these principles, gesture and structure, may seem a step backwards, but is actually the only way to go forward. And it took me way too much time to understand that. This is the reason why I created this channel, because self-taught artists like me would have somewhere to go, a place to find a guide that shares his art journey and his struggles to let you progress way faster than him. And I will see you on my next step.